Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you to get Pro Soccer Online on your phone, no jailbreak or computer needed. So this actually works on iPhone and Android. It's super crazy, guys. So if you like to play Pro Soccer Online maybe on your PC, well, you're happy to know that today I'm about to show you how to download the mobile version, which does work, guys. And it is really cool because Pro Soccer Online is an incredible game to play, and now we can play it on mobile, guys. So keep watching the video. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. It's fully working, and it is super crazy, guys. So yeah, it's super cool. Guys, so I'm going to show you exactly how to download Pro Soccer Online on your phone. So all you have to do, guys, is go on your browser and go over to this website right here. Once you're on Google, you want to go to this page and put in the word ZoomOdds. Hop on over to this website, and then we're going to go to the search bar and just type in Pro Soccer Online. As you can see, it comes up. Then we're going to download it, and it's going to be all set for your mobile device. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. Get the word out about this method because it actually works. It's pretty insane. There's no problems with it whatsoever, so that is super cool. I don't play Pro Soccer Online on PC too much. I prefer a mobile edition, so this actually works, and it is super cool. So definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out about this method. There's no jailbreaking involved, so that is super cool, and I really like it. So yeah, try it out today. Get the word out about this method. It fully works, and it's super cool if you like to play Pro Soccer Online, which is one of my favorite titles. There are some other soccer games, but this one's pretty good because it's online, you get voice chat, and it's so fun. So I hope you liked it, guys. It's super crazy. There's no jailbreaking involved. That's all nonsense. That's like what dumb people do. Who the hell jailbreaks in 2023? You don't even need to do that for this video. So go ahead and try it out for yourself, guys. Get the word out. It actually works. It's super cool, guys. So if you like the video, definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out. It's still working. There's no bullshit involved. So yeah, you guys are probably going to like it because you don't have to do anything. So I hope you liked the video and you found it useful because this is 2023. We can play Pro Soccer Online on our phone, guys. So try it out right now. Get the word out about the method. It's super insane, guys. So I'm going to see you guys in a future video, and peace out.